Is this thing on? Oh, it is. All right. Hey friends, Chef Will here, back with another spectacular video. All right, so today we are doing a Taco Tuesday where I try out enchiladas for the first time ever. So let's get right into this. It should be absolutely spectacular, in my opinion. Humbly speaking, of course. Anyways, so I took the liberty of cooking some ground beef with taco seasoning on it. That's what's steaming right here. And I also microwaved 4 soft tortillas in the microwave for precisely 26 seconds. No more, no less. And I got this little pan sprayed with some non-stick spray. And I have an oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And of course some cheese. So, you want to start off. So we got 4 tortillas. I got probably like 1.2 pounds of ground beef. So you want to start off just putting them in the tortillas. There's 4 of them, so split it into fourths best you can, and it should be pretty good. And just load. So we finished the first one, as you can clearly see ish. Maybe not clearly, but hopefully you can see somewhat of it. Probably got a better view of my hand, but then you just load these things up with the cheese, wrap them up all nice and snug as a bug, and put them in the pan. It's the thing you're putting in the oven. There. Okay, so 1 down, 3 to go. Keep loading them up all nice and tight. Seems to be about half of the meat so far. More cheese, because we're very cheesy in this household. My cheese is a bit frozen, so hopefully the oven will unicify the cheese, as I'm sure it will. Oh, that's a lot of cheese. We'll love to see that. And we just keep putting it in. Okay, 2 down. On to number 3. Trace, as they say in Espanol. Looks like I went a bit heavy on the meat in the first 2, so the other 2 will be less meaty. So that's number 3. Boop, pop, bang. Alrighty, on to the last one. We'll just dump all this in. Even the liquid. We'll just run in it here. Well, that's a lot of liquid. We'll see how this turns out. Oh, almost forgot the cheese. What is that? Something is sizzling. I have no idea what, but we're giving it a go. Okay, this is very runny. So, this should be an experience. A little warm, I gotta say. Alrighty, so, let me get this sauce off my hand. There we go. So now, we got everything there in el pan. As you can see, hopefully, I can't really see what you can see, but I assume you saw it. Now we want the enchilada sauce, very fancy, red chile, whatever that's supposed to mean. And we want to cut this right open. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. And I think you just like drench this thing in it. Well, that's what we're going to do. I kind of went heavy on the first one, and the other 3 didn't really get much. But last few drip drops are coming in hot. Might have to split it out. Where's my spoon? Right here. Okay, you get some, you get some, you get some. You can't see anything I'm saying. But, aha! There we go. Doop, doop, doop. I think that's just about good. See, I went a bit heavy on that one, but The other three eventually got some. Not much, but they'll have to do. You can share. So now, the recipe technically calls for 15 minutes in the oven, but I don't believe in setting timers. So what we do is we just go for a good old-fashioned eye test. You know, check it every once in a while. Go lay down on the couch, and hopefully it turns out okay. Anyways, Chef Will here. I will be back in a future video as we adventure and try out new things. Bye!